Do you want to cut your household energy bills and make sure that your home is a healthy environment for you and your family? If so, you might want to volunteer to take part in an innovative, new, high-tech project called Internet of Things. The Council Housing Service has been given money to fit new sensors in around 60 of our homes. The small sensors are linked to the internet through a new national Wi-Fi system put in place by the Scottish Government and will monitor heat, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels in your house. We don't need any personal information from you. The sensors will only measure those things so you can understand how your house is performing and get advice on how to improve things to create a healthier and more economical living environment. For example, by understanding how well your property retains heat, we can find out if your home would benefit from any energy efficiency work. This way, you can also make better choices about your energy provider, as well as asking us for advice on how to save on bills. The sensors can also alert you if your property is showing signs of mold and damp or high levels of CO2, which are bad for your health. The idea is to make sure that your home is the best living environment it can be for your health, well-being, and for your pocket. If you're interested in taking part in the pilot project by having the sensors fitted in your home, please let us know